Greetings of the day, dear children. Today we are starting with exercise 3.6. In this exercise, we need to find the HCF. Now, what is this HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor, or we can say greatest common divisor. Means we need to find the common factors, the highest, the greatest one which can divide the given numbers. Like, there are different methods to find the HCF. One is your common factor method, the other is your prime factorization method, and the third one is division method. With any of the method, we can find the HCF of the given numbers. So, let us start exercise 3.6, question number 1. Here I have taken part A, that is 18 and 48. We need to find the HCF of 18 and 48. Here I have taken first method, common factor method. With the help of this, we'll find the HCF. We can use any of the three methods and the answer will come same. Now, common factor method, it is as the name suggests, we need to first find the factors of the given number. This we have already done in our previous exercises. Factors are those number which easily divides the given number. So what are, you have to mention all those numbers that can divide 18 completely. So 18 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 for sure. So these are the numbers which can divide 18 completes. We call them as factors. Similarly, we will find the factors of 48 also, and 48 comes in the following tables like 1. 1 is a factor of itself, we have studied. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. As like 6 8s are 48, 4 12s are 48, 3 16s are 48, 2 24s are 48 and 1 48s are 48. Now, as you can see, we have found both the factors of the given numbers. Now, first we will find the common factors of this. We have done this in our previous exercise. What all numbers are common? You can see 1 is common here. 1 is common in both the numbers, then 2 is common in both the numbers, then 3 is common in both the numbers and 6 is common in both the numbers. So 4 numbers are common factors of both 18 and 48. Now we are not talking about common factor, we have to find highest or the greatest one. So among these 4 number, which is the greatest number? It is 6. Therefore, our answer will be 6. The highest common factor which can divide both these numbers is 6. So this is question number 1, A part with common factor method. You can also find it with prime factorization as well as division method. Now here I am taking another part which is E part 36 and 84, and this I have done with different method. Second method I have taken, which is prime factorization method. Now in prime factorization method, we need to find the prime factors of the given numbers. So how to find the prime factors? We'll make a factor tree for the given numbers. One is for 36 and the other is for 84. Simultaneously we'll solve these things. This is known as factor tree method also. Now here, whenever you will calculate the answer should always be a prime number. We cannot take any other number but only a prime number. So as 36 is an even number, so if first of all it will get easily divisible by 2. 2 18s are 36. Again now 18 is there, we'll again further divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now we cannot directly divide it as 9 1s are 9. No, for 9 also we need to find the prime factors, which are 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. We have to solve it till we achieve 1 over here. Similarly, we'll find the prime factorization of 84. 2 24s are 84, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6 and last is 3 1s are 3. So for both the numbers we have found the prime factors with the help of factor 3. The next step is to arrange them in the horizontal form. For 36, write all prime factors together with multiplication sign, and for 84 as well, write all prime factors together with multiplication sign. If you'll multiply them, you'll get this number like that. Now we need to find the HCF, that is highest common factor. Name itself suggesting. What we'll do, we'll circle the common factors. This pair of 2 is common. Again a pair of 2 is common. Now as you can see here, 3 is there and 2, 3, 2 not common, but the one pair of 3 is common, so we'll circle it also. Therefore the factors which we have got common are 2. From one pair, from one circle, we'll copy 1, 2 only. For this I have copied this 2, for this I have copied this 2, and for this pair I have copied this 3. Now we'll multiply and we'll get our answer. 2 times of 2, 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore 12 is the HCF for 36 and 84. This was E part of question 1. Let's move ahead with another part, like H part I am taking. Now here you can see 91, 112 and 49. 3 bigger numbers are there and it is very difficult. Like 91, it is very difficult to find the factors according to this prime factor method and according to common factor method. So in that case I have done it with the division method. For division method, what we will do, we'll take from the least smallest number and then we'll take the middle number. As you can see, 49 is the smallest number here and 91 is a bigger number than 49. We'll divide it. Name itself suggesting division method. So we'll divide 91 by 49. It's 49 ones are 49. You'll find the remainder as 42. Now it is a continued division method. The full name of this method is continued division method, means the division chain will continue as we'll receive remainder as 0. We have got remainder 42 here. We'll further make a division sign in front of the remainder itself and the divisor will be, the dividend will become the previous divisor. जो पुराना divisor जिससे हम divide कर रहे थे, that number will become the dividend for another division. Again this chain will continue. 42 ones are 42. Subtracted 42 from 49, we got remainder 7. Again remainder is left 7. We need to divide it further. And now for the third time, this 42 will become the dividend and 7 will become the divisor. Now 7 6 are 42. Here we have attained our goal, which is to get remainder as 0. Whenever, if in case you have not got, we'll divide it further. But as we have got with the 7, what we will do, we'll divide the remaining number with 7. With whatever number we have got the remainder 0, with that number only we'll divide the another number. Now with 7 we'll divide 1 1 2. 7 1s are 7, 4 is remainder, 2 copied, 7 6 are 14. For the first time only we have got the remainder. Therefore 7 has completely divided the number here and 7 has already divided the number here. So the highest common factor is 7 over here. So this was continued division method. It is used for the largest numbers. So this was question number 1 of exercise 3.6.